Hello everyone, this is Yolanda Spivey from Michael Whitney Associates. Please visit us on the web at mwhitney.com or theblackinsurancenetwork.com. So it's September, it's still September, and we are still celebrating Liam. And Liam is an acronym for Life Insurance Awareness Month. And during this month, I asked my audience to send me questions that they may have concerning life insurance. And one of the recurring questions that I've gotten was, can I insure someone who is incarcerated? Or can I get insurance if I'm incarcerated? The answer is no and yes. So yes and no. Now let me explain. Currently, there are over 6.9 million Americans that are incarcerated. And like many of you, they want to protect their families just in case something happens to them. And unfortunately, if they go and apply for life insurance on a standard policy, they are going to be denied. And there are many factors as to why an insurance company may deny someone. Number one, if that person is incarcerated, how can the insurance company administer a health exam? So, since they cannot get to the person to sign the paperwork or administer a health exam, that person cannot get life insurance. Number two, many prisoners' assets are either frozen or they just don't have access to it while they are locked down. And number three, being in prison or jail puts you at a higher risk for death. I mean, you could die at the hands of a prisoner, correctional officer, or even an illness that you may contract while incarcerated. So because of those factors, an insurance company stays clear away from people who are currently in prison. But there is a policy that will write you if you are incarcerated, and that's a guaranteed life. Now, during my 16 years of being in the insurance industry, 16 plus, I've only insured one person who was incarcerated, and his mother came to me. This young man, he was 29 years old. He was in prison for life, I believe, and she just wanted to make sure that if anything happened to him, that she could bury him. So we issued her a guarantee issue policy. And with the guarantee issue policies, there are a lot of stipulations that come with them. You can't die within a 2-year period. The face amount of the policy will always be low. You can't get no more than $50,000 maybe, if that. And also it's very expensive. Guarantee issue is a very expensive policy. For that young man, I believe we only insured him for like $10,000. And his mother ended up paying maybe $90 a month for his policy. So as you can see, it's very, very expensive. So, anywho, another way someone can get insurance if they are incarcerated is if they are rich and famous. Okay, they can get an accidental death policy. Some places like the Lloyd's of London, which is a broker of carriers out in the UK, they will actually insure someone if they are a well-known celebrity who happens to be going to prison or is in prison. And, those are the breaks. But anywho, guys, please send me all your insurance questions during Liam. We have a few more days left in the month of September, a few weeks left, in the month of September. And I would love to answer all your life insurance questions. So please send them to me. And again, reach out to us at mwhitney.com or theblackinsurancenetwork.com as well. Thank you guys for listening and have a good night.